Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Aman Nagar. Today's date is 2 October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is abstraction in details in Java. So we have discussed about the abstraction in details before we are going to the interface. So what is interface? Interface, it means it is defined as to it's the collection of all a collection of methods in abstract type methods. It's called as a interface is just like a class, and interface is just like a class, and it is collection of abstract and public type methods. So it is called as interface. So what are the uses of interface? So first of all, we can use the abstraction in abstraction. We can achieve the abstraction in the interface process. Second of one, we are using the interface in multiple inheritance, but multiple inheritance is not support to the in Java. But we are using the interface. We are using the multiple inheritance by using interface. So multiple inheritance is does not support in Java. Because of multiple inheritance, we are creating the two super classes, and in that time we are asking to the your various types of properties to users. And in that time your super class both super class are confusing the which super class are asking to the data from the users. So in that time confusion are various types of confusion are created, and in that case we are creating the ambiguity condition. So it is the main loss miss disadvantage and drawbacks of multiple inheritance in Java. So we are because due to multiple inheritance is not support in Java. So next use in interface is a to using the loose couplings. So but to do loose coupling, it means we do not connect the between the connection between the both users and loose couplings does not tightly coupled. And then next up one, we have discussed about the abstraction. So what is abstraction? Abstraction, it means it is defined as the to hiding the internal implementation and showing only main details to the users. So it is called as a abstraction. We can use the extend keywords. We can use the extend keywords. So what are the advantages of what are the advantages of abstraction? So first of all, security, it means we are achieving the security from the your data and your code. So we are using the abstraction. And then second uses is the enhancement. It means we are using the we are using, suppose we are creating the suppose we are creating the your new projects, and your new projects are including the various types of methods. Suppose we are creating the calculator application, and in that calculator application we are including the various types of methods like addition method, multiplication method, subtraction methods, and division methods. So we can use the suppose you are asking to users from two numbers addition. So in that time we are creating the two numbers, like first number is 5 and second number is 10. So in that two numbers and addition is 15. So we can use the addition methods by using the two numbers of addition. So but internal implementation, no any regarding information about the internal implementation in abstraction process. So what are the how to achieve the abstraction in Java? First of all, there are two ways to achieve the abstraction in Java. First of all, to abstract class, and second of all, interface. So abstract class, it means suppose we are working on specific projects and like calculator applications, and in that projects we have completing your works from 80%, and your 20% work is not about any information about regarding the your 20% work. So in that case we are asking to another users, you can asking to another users, and your 20% working are completed from the users. So we can use the abstract class in a abstraction. So second use is a to interface. It means we can use the 100% interface we can achieving the by using abstraction methods, abstraction in Java. So we can use the 100% achieving the interface, 100% achieving the abstraction by using interface. it means we are working on specific projects, and your project details are totally known about the your new projects, and you are completing the 100% work from the users, and we can use the interface in the second use of interface. Second use is a interface by using the abstraction methods. So it is the abstraction uses. So we have take the another example for how to achieve how to achieve abstraction in Java. First of all, suppose we have take the example is a car accessories. Car accessories is the like various types of suppose brakes, brakes, accelerator, and then steering and gearbox. But in that all accessories is a total, it is a main functionality. Is it a display to the driver? It is a necessary from driving the cars because of, but internal implementation, suppose your gearbox. So how to implementation gearbox is no, it's not about the any information about the users. So it is the it is a main function. It means we are hiding the internal implementation in your specific work, and only highlighted in the main data and main functionality to the users. So we can achieve the abstraction in that case. So it is a main function of abstraction in details. So we have take the example like by using the program. Suppose we have create the class name is a car, and then SOP is a start with key, and then next open we have create another class. It is a scooter. So in that case we are using the scooter in second class, and in scooter class extend to your car class. So it means we are accessing the all the properties from the car class to the scooter class, and then SOP is just start with the key. So it is the all over about the abstraction in details in Java. Thank you so much.